In this video, we are going to see how to make a 3D model for your laptop. As you can see, the laptop looks like a real laptop. Its shading is very perfect. We make this design in Blender. So let's see how we can do this 3D design. Open your Blender and you will see a default interface like this. Keep it, and we know that normally laptops are 18 inches or closer, so we will take a cube of 18 inches, press S plus Y to reduce its width a little, and press S plus Z to reduce height along the Z axis like a bow. I'm taking a little more scale along the Y axis. Okay, we will make its little corner radius because every laptop has corner radius. So go to the modify menu and select bevel. Increase the volume a little. Perfect. We can see that the shape looks like a laptop body. Now we will design the keyboard and mouse pad on it, and last we will create a shape for display. Okay, so let's create the function key of keyboard. So take a little cube and go to modify menu, then apply the bevel effect. Increase some bevel below, and now we can see the shape looks like a button. We will duplicate this. For duplicate it along the x-axis, we can use array function. So go to the modify menu and add array. Take count number 13 and take relative offset. Select 1 along the x-axis and turn on constant and take some distance about 0.005 meter. Perfect. These are function keys. Now we will copy it by pressing Shift plus D to create the rest of other keys. Since the rest of the keys are longer than the function key and are square, so select it and move it up a little along the y-axis. Press S and Y to make like a square. We can see that the buttons are square, and now we will add the array for along the y-axis. So go to modify and select array preset. Make the factor -1 along the y-axis because we know that the value of along the y-axis is minus. So take constant distance minus 0.002 meter. It's perfect. And count 5. That's well. We can see the keys are aligned on our keyboard. Now the space button and the enter button will be enlarged. So take a cube on the middle in the bottom row, make it smaller along the z-axis and go to modify. Then apply the bevel effect, increase its volume a little. We see the button is a bit small, so press S plus X and increase a bit along the x-axis. Now copy it by pressing Shift plus D and create an enter button in the same way. Finally, we create the power button. So copy it and bring it to first corner. Press S for shorten it, then put it here. Okay, now we will make the mouse pad of the laptop. So take a new cube and moving the right side. Go to modify and apply bevel effect. Increase its volume and press G plus Z to move down. Okay, enough. We will make a hole here so that the mouse pad looks good. Now select main body of laptop. You must select the laptop body for this. Then go to modify and add boolean. Select picker and select this cube because according to its size we will make holes. Okay, apply this, and now if you delete the cube by pressing the keyboard delete button, we will see a hole created. Add a new shape on this hole. because we can select a different color for the mouse pad. Okay, perfect. Now copy this button and place it on the mouse pad. Duplicate it and place it on the right side. I'll decrease distance some, and now we can see that our mouse pad has created. And if you want, we can add 4 legs to the bottom. So turn the laptop upside down and click on add. Take cylinder from here, press S to make it smaller, and now just place it in one of the corners. Go down along the Z axis by pressing G plus Z. Perfect. Again press Shift plus D, then move it along the Y axis. Press Shift plus D again and move it along the X axis. Again press Shift plus D, then move it along the Y axis. Yeah, looking good. Now let's add 2 holders to hold the display board. So take a small shape and let's put it just like that. Duplicate and move it to the right. Okay, now we will create a display board. So let's duplicate the lower body and move it up. We need to create a shape for display, so a hole should be made for this. So take a new shape and set it on this board. Press G plus Z to scroll down. Now select the display board and go to modify, add boolean and take picker icon, then fix the new shape. Okay, apply this. And now if you delete the above shape, we can see that display place has been created. Put it to one side and down by pressing G plus Z. Now we will add the display, so we have to take a plane shape. Go to the add menu and take a plane. Scale it by pressing S and place it exactly in the hole on display board. Well, now select the plane and display board and press G plus Z to move it up along the Z axis and slightly forward along the Y axis. Now select the rotate tool and rotate it 60 degrees. We can see the laptop has been designed and we got a really nice design. Now if we color it, then we will see its real look. So come to shading mode to paint, and now I chose deep gray color for laptop body and took the dark color for the display. Select the keyboard and chose dark color and select the mouse pad and take dark color. And now we go to night mode to get clear result, and let's see our best result. The laptop looks realistic, although we have not added more components yet, such as keyboard, text, USB, connector, etc. So let's add a display photo. Go to shading mode again and we drag the photo from the file and drop it here. We see the photos has been added. This is the image block of my photo. Just delete the middle blocks and click add option. Search add emission. Add emission block. Now link color point and link it to surface. Increase strength some. We can see that the light effect has been added to the display, and now we can enjoy its beauty by going to night mode. Okay guys, laptop design has pretty complete. If we add more components, the video will be longer, so that's well. Subscribe this channel and stay with us. Love you all. Bye bye.